All right, guys, here it is. I told you it was coming. I told you it was happening. I was as clear and transparent as perfectly possible. Our Slam trade has come to a close with a total of $100,640 profit. Now, if you look at the charts here that I've included, and not necessarily charts, but the dot matrix that I've included, the order matrix on my platform, I've highlighted each contract. Now, this took 3 contracts in a total of just a hair less than 10 weeks. So, about 9.5 weeks, we booked in this amount of money. So, the first, for the total sum there of $23,600, that was on contract CLM21. So we had to close that because we moved to our next forward expiring contract. Why do we do that? That's where the liquidity is. We want our orders to get filled as quickly and efficiently as possible. We want to be in the action because we know when the price moves that we can capitalize on it very well. The second highlighted area there that is magnified is $70,340. That is the CLN 21 contract. So that at that expiration, that is the amount of money that we booked in profit when we closed and rolled over our position to the CLQ 21, which you could see we just wrapped up the last 67 cents or so, which paid us $6,700. So if you add all three of those amounts up, 23,600, 70,340, and 6,700, you get a grand total of $100,640 and 00 cents. So guys, this is realized gains. This is a real trade on a real account, and I basically snapshotted it along the way so that you could see that this is not just hypothetical to look back and go, oh, I'm going to pick oil when it was $10 cheaper. No. This was a real trade. This is a real strategy that I have used for many years that consistently pays me these style payouts. These Super Slam setups are specifically designed for $10 moves. When I get that $10 move on 10 contracts, it's $100,000. Now listen, most of you are not going to trade with 10 contracts, and that's perfectly fine. This is still a $10,000+ move for just one contract. So if you say, listen, I'm tiptoeing into futures. Futures aren't my thing. I don't understand them. That's perfectly fine. I want to limit my risk. No problem. One contract, a little over $10,000. I mean, I don't think you'd be upset with me if you made $10,000 in a matter of 9.5 weeks. Now, if you say, listen, I don't trade futures, I'm scared of them, I don't like them, I don't understand them. We also, every time that we do this, we give these exact trades in an ETF, and we also give them in an option. Now, I didn't depict the ETFs here, but we give 2 ETFs, the USO, which is United States Oil Fund, and the UCO, which is a leveraged asset to mimic the USO. So if you want a little bit of leverage, but you don't want to go as far as the futures market or the options market, there is a leveraged ETF that could give you as well a nice return, a little more aggressive than utilizing the USO. Now, I did include on the bottom right of your screen here our option trade. So we bought this option for about $1.10, and we bought this out of the money and at our target and a forward expiring contract, so that we didn't have to close our option and reopen it, close it, reopen it, close it, and reopen it, because there was good liquidity there, so it wasn't an issue. So we bought that option for $1.10, and we sold it this morning for $3. So 172.73% return on the option trade. Very inexpensive to get involved in. If you tell me, listen, I don't have the money to carry a futures contract overnight or over the weekends, I don't want to hold them over the weekends, I know things can get hairy, it's fine. You can buy a futures option. Listen, and what's the most exciting part of all of this is coming in July, in another couple weeks, they are releasing micro light sweet crude oil contracts and micro light sweet crude oil option plays. So, guys, if you've been hesitant for whatever the reason is to get involved, I just want to show you in black and white, this is what it looks like when it all works the way it's supposed to. Now, I have produced 6-figure income for myself year after year after year. And don't get me wrong, there are some losses involved. I don't want to mislead you. I don't always win. But I win more than I lose, and I win enough to still generate a 6-figure income annually, and I've done it for many years, and it's really provided some lifestyle for myself and my wife and my family, and guys, I'm here to share it with you. That's all I'm here to do. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm I'm not enticing you to do anything. I'm just here to share with you my knowledge. I'm here to share with you my experience. I'm here to share with you the things that I was looking for when I want to become a trader. So here you have it. 6 figures in profit, in black and white, real orders. This way you can see exactly what it looks like. You can see there's always a little bit of slippage there. But with that said, we hit our goal. If you played this on a smaller scale, you could see $10,000 plus per contract traded. And if you played this in the options market, 173, roughly 173% return on investment. So guys, if you want to learn more, if you've been sitting on the sidelines, if you've been watching my videos, reading my content, looking at my articles, my newsletters, myself and my team have worked really, really hard to put this stuff together. If you want to learn more, if you haven't done it yet, there's a link below this video. Click on it, check out the training webinar, learn more about myself, more about the service, more about who I am, where I came from, and why I'm here to share this with you. And if you feel like this may be a fit for you, then I invite you to join Big Energy Profits, become a family member with us, and take advantage of the opportunities as they continue to produce themselves. The energy sector for me has always been a top performer. I don't care if it's tanking or it's going to the sky. Either way, the opportunities are just tremendous. So with this, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying well. Most importantly, I hope you're healthy. And guys, I really love to work with you. So, check out the training webinar, get signed up, give my support staff a call. There's a phone number below here also if you have questions, comments, concerns. Let us help answer them for you. And again, if it's a right fit, great. If it's not, I completely understand. There's certainly no pressure. So, all right, stay well, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.